Hey guys, welcome back. Let's get it going. So today I will be unboxing the box. This is the Luxe box from Boxycharm, and I'm excited to unbox it with you guys. Like, oh my gosh. So if you want to see how I did this makeup, the link will be down below, but let's not worry about the makeup right now. Let's talk about Boxycharm. Oh jeez. So the Boxy Luxe is, I think, $50 every 3 months, and you get worth more than $300, obviously. Let me fix that pretty hard. You get worth more than $300, and then you get name brand actually. So $50 for like $300 worth, that's a pretty good deal. I usually get the regular Boxycharm monthly, and then now I upgrade it to my BOXY premium. But the first thing I'm pulling out is their palettes. Oh my god, I can't wait to play with it. Like, actually, there it goes. It's Hello Charmer. Ooh, look at this. Oh my, it's so beautiful. I really like this one, like, a lot. Oh my, I can't wait to play with these glitters and that gold. Okay, number 2. What is this? Is what came out with it, the paper. Number 2 is another palette. I get so excited for palettes. I don't know. I'm a foundation hoarder, and palettes. I love palettes. This one is the Tarte Pro Remix. I like the color. What is it called? Those videos that you have to go like, and people like that, like the noises and stuff. I forgot what it is. But that's beautiful. This one's beautiful. This one's like breathtaking. Okay, that's number 2. Let's see how much. I'm gonna see how much things I got this time. I'll pick it up. Don't worry. Ooh, this is my favorite, the Brazilian Bum Bum. I have one, and I have only used it twice because it's so little and it smells like so delicious, and I want to rub it like all in my body. It smells like. Okay, number 3. See, this is why I canceled the first time, because they gave me stuff that I don't want, but it's okay. It's okay. The palettes made it up for this. So nail polish is a pink one, and like, it's like a pink red. I don't know, like a melon. There you go, melon. This is something my daughter would love. And number 2. Oh my god, another one. I like the yellow one better. This one smells like coconut. I love coconut, but the other smells better. Glow, and then I got the Becca Glaze stick. Okay, now let's see what it is. Oh, is it like a primer? I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm seriously gonna have to look it up, because I don't know. Sometimes I get like moisturizer, and I'm like, okay. And I got this Nars lipstick and Wild Night. You know who don't get Wild Nights? Oh, it's actually like a plum color. Oh my god, I like it from Angry Birds. I always say, if you know me, like, close by, oh, that's my word. Oh my god, this is the color. Look at it. So beautiful. second to last. Yeah, second to last is this straws. And then it comes with the little cleaning thingamajig. This is so cool. It's four golden straws from Bombshell Bakers. It's okay, because this made up for the whole entire box. Like, PMD. I don't know. I will link below how much it's worth, because it's worth a lot. And I got a blue one. I wanted that green, or you know, the blue, that teal color. There you go, the teal one or the pink. But to see this one in person, oh, I have to put the battery in there. Somehow you put the battery in there. But yes, and I guess you put this like on your sink or wherever you're gonna put it, and then voila. So this actually made up for the whole $50 of the box that I paid for. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 things. So we got 9. Oh, no, I like this side better. So we got 9 things. And I'm just waiting for the Lashy box to get here, and then the Boxycharm premium to get here, and that's it. I'm obsessed with this eye look. And that is all from Boxycharm today. Let's go try this stuff out. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.